Get a feel for the 2018 BMW 325i. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Experience the exhilaration that comes from driving the iconic 3 Series sedan. With its superb handling, balance, agility, and power at your command, you'll feel every thrill the road has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor. Don't miss the opportunity to possess a motorsport legend. Get into the 3 Series sedan.